30-meter stacker, which can be also run on electric motors, which means that you are able to use the diesel engine as a power source, or you can plug the machine to the power source and use the power from the grid. The main idea is the dual power. It's not a hybrid, it's a dual power, which means that to the diesel engine you have connected the pumps which are running all the systems. Then you have the electric motor, which also has connected hydraulic pumps, which are also running the whole elements of the machine. It means that the customer can run the machine both independently on the diesel engine or with the electric motors. It gives them extra flexibility and also allows the machine to be used in such places where using the diesel engine is not possible. The good thing about the MPT 30-meter stacker is that with the dual power, you are able even to move the machine when it's working on an electric motor, because we have the same setup of the pumps to the diesel and to the electric motors. So as long as you have a long enough extension cord for the machine, you are able to move the machine also using the electric engine, which makes it super flexible for some customers who are using this machine where using the diesel engine is not possible or even prohibited. The rest of the machine is the same as the standard model, which means that we have a 30-meter long belt, which is able to transfer 500 tons per hour of material. Since we are now with the machine, machine is also able to go into the container. We have a special mode of this machine, let's say, to put it in the container, which makes the transport cost also getting quite low when we are moving the machine to the customers, even to US or somewhere else.